Hi everyone, my name is Bashar Hussain. By profession, I'm a teacher. I have been working as an English language instructor since last 7 to 8 years. Teacher, I'm also working as an English language instructor as online. So I have decided to be online with you people. So it's my first video on my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to tell you about the most useful idioms. So the first idiom is a big fish to fry. A big fish to fry means an important work. If you have some necessary work, you must say, I have another big fish to fry. If your friend asks to you, are you coming with me? You say, no, I have another big fish to fry, means you have important work to do. The next idiom is piece of cake. Piece of cake means very easy. Speaking English is just like a piece of cake. To drive a car is just like a piece of cake. If the work is very easy, you must say it's just piece of cake. The third one is all ears. All ears means to listen attentively. Once your teacher asks you, are you listening? You must say, yes sir, I'm all ears. It means you are listening attentively. And the next one is once in a blue moon means very rarely. For example, my friend visits my home once in a blue moon. Or I go to academy once in a blue moon. Midnight oil means to stay till midnight by working hard. For example, you must say he burns midnight oil. That is why he got good mark in his exam. Means to work hard till the midnight. The next one, brag the luck. Brag the luck means to wish someone good luck. If the result is going to be announced, you must say to your student, just brag the luck. Brag the luck. It doesn't mean that brag your luck, his luck or the her luck. It's mean to wish someone's good luck. The next idiom is very common. Keep an eye on. Keep an eye on, to be an alert. For example, media keeps an eye on every segment of the society, what's happening in this society. So it's very common phrase we use in our daily life. The next one is over the moon. Over the moon means feeling happy. If you are happy, you must say I'm over the moon today. Means I'm really happy, I'm very happy. The next idiom is under the weather. And the opposite one, if you are not feeling well, you must say I'm under the weather today. Means you are not feeling well. Last but not least, see eye to eye, to agree someone. If you like the idea, if you agree to someone, say see eye to eye. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, just subscribe my YouTube channel